I have finally mastered the art of pap making. I know. After you watch this video, you will be so confident to make pap yourself and you will get it right all the time. Now, if you don't get it right, it's not my fault. And it's not your fault either, really. It's just the pap. I didn't make pap for my baby when she was born frequently because of this pap issue. So I had to set out about only chef or she more, but she pap. Ordinary ogi, right? I mean, really. So yeah, let's get right into the video and watch this. Make sure you don't miss a second. You have to watch every step. So please keep your eye on the screen the entire time. Pouring my water now. So the first step is to temper this bowl. So that means I'm going to rinse it with hot water. If you're a baker and you use whipped cream, you already know what I'm doing here. With whipped cream, you do it with cold water, put it in the fridge, make the dish cold, and make the bowl cold, and so on and so forth. But in this case, we're making it hot. So kind of all the steps you would use for the whipped cream process, but then we're using it for hot water, for pap. Pour the hot water into it, leave it for a few minutes because we want it to actually be hot, right? So that's enough. I'll pour the water away now. So now this is optional, but because I want it to be perfect and I want to show you like the maximum you should do, I will be showing you this part. So I've put some hot water in that dish. This is the one I'm going to be making the pap in, just to keep it hot for the entire process, right? Then I'll put the kettle back to heat up the water again, just to keep it hot. So I'm not making too much pap because who's going to drink it after I make it? I'm only doing this for this video, so it's just a little quantity that I'm going to make so I can force myself to drink it after. For sure, let's go. I will now take my pap. So I'm just making a little bit. I think that's enough now. So you know that most of us keep our pap in the fridge, right? That's the first issue. So most times the pap is still really cold when you start to mix the hot water into it, right? So the first trick is to make sure that your pap is warm. I know the pap has to be warm as well. So when the hot water comes in contact with it, they both just baradi. I don't know what that means, but they don't just form the whole bond, basically. So that's kind of the first trick, right? Stay glued, you guys. The moment of truth is coming right up. I'll put just a little hot water here. Just use it to mix my pap and make it a bit softer. All right. So by now the pap itself should be warm. So all that the ripple and the boiling thing has already vanished from the face of the water. Let me show you with my phone. So this is what the water looks like now. It's still hot. There's still steam. If you pour it when it's way too hot, then it's going to have lumps, right? And you don't want lumps, do you? No. All right. So now I will go. My pap is warm. Perfect. Don't disgrace me. Don't disgrace me. Okay, so now I'll go in with the hot water. It's not warm enough. No, it's warm. So you just dip your finger in like that to test it, and if it's warm, then you're good to go. You want it to be warm. So now let's go. And that's it. Our pap is done. Can you see what happened there? Do you get me? So you just have to make sure you stop. You have to keep mixing it, right? You will feel it start to thicken. Once it starts to thicken, you know it's time to stop. Because if you pour way too much water than you need, then it's going to be what's the English now? It's going to be too watery, too runny, too thin. But there we have it. Ogiti Gina. Yes, you guys, we did it. I have now taught you how to make the perfect pap anytime you want to. Yeah, you're welcome. Try this out and let me know how it goes for you, will you? See you in my next video. Bye. See my pap now. See my pap. No lumps. Look at that. So perfect. Please try this at home.